I'm grabbing a wetsuit and a surfboard and going to meet up with my friend Mateo.
Hi, welcome everybody to San Diego. Welcome to the hostel here. I learned surfing here in this beach. I'm going surfing right now. And I recommend you, this hostel is very good and good surf.
And just remember, in the winter, it's cold. You're going to want to have a wetsuit.
I finally stood up. I'm surfing.
I can't stand on a surfboard for longer than a few seconds, so I walked out on this pier to film Mateo and the other pros. To watch the full episode of Dirt Cheap with Chaz Bruns, click the link below.